If Steam is throwing error 988, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually get you back into Steam quickly. This is a common issue that can happen because of cached data, a bad download region, or network conflicts like a VPN. The good news is that you can often fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling Steam or making complicated changes. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click Steam. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will open the Steam settings panel where we can adjust the parts that are most likely causing the error. Next, on the left side of the settings window, go to Downloads. Inside the Download section, look for the Download Region setting. If the region is set incorrectly, or if the server you're connected to is having issues, this can sometimes trigger login or connection problems like error 988. Click the drop-down and change the download region to a different one that is close to you, or try another nearby region if the first one does not work. After changing the region, look for the Clear Download Cache option and click it. Steam will usually ask you to confirm, and when you do, it will clear out temporary data that may be causing the problem. This is one of the most important steps because corrupted cache files can interfere with Steam's normal sign-in process and connection settings. Once the cache is cleared, Steam may restart or ask you to log in again. If it does, go ahead and close Steam fully, then reopen it. If Steam does not restart automatically, manually exit the app and launch it again from your desktop or start menu. Now, before trying to sign in again, make sure you disable any VPN you may have running. VPNs can sometimes confuse Steam's network connection or make your location appear inconsistent, which can lead to login errors. If you are using a proxy or any other network filter, turn that off too. After Steam has restarted and your VPN is disabled, try logging in again. In many cases, that alone will solve the issue. If it still appears, go back and double check the download region one more time, since switching to a different region can make a big difference. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable and that no firewall or security software is blocking Steam. A simple router restart can also help if the problem is related to your network connection. So to recap, the main fix is to open Steam, go into Settings, switch to Downloads, change the download region, clear the downloads cache, restart Steam, disable any VPN, and then try logging in again. These steps are safe, free, and they solve the error for a lot of users. If this video helped you fix Steam error 988, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.